Hey guys, welcome back. This is Sanskruti and I today and today's topic is really interesting. So let's begin to today's video. Today I'm gonna tell you the one story about one fairy. So let's begin. The name of that fairy is the Lily, and I'm gonna tell you the story of Lily. So the point she looked. So let's begin the story. Lily feels gloomy, so she looked at her name. There it was, right down at the bottom, all on its own with no points. But whatever good deeds she had done had somehow to how not turned out the way they were meant to when she had polished the stars until they shone. Everyone slept on them. When she had tired away all the cups and the planets in angels, mops, messy kitchens, she had been told they had been put out for a reason. Then yesterday, when she had stood outside this snail tea sick room and sang the two angels lying on the bed on the chairs, and she cheers them up. They had covered their ears and told her to go away. The Lily let out of the loud sigh. She had the better hurry up and find someone that needed a good deep one that would give her a lot of points at that moment. Angel Mina appeared. Come, come, young Lily, you are not giving up yet, are you? So, Angel Mina was one of the Lily's favorite angel. She was really unsigned and had a poor eyesight, but she was gentle, not like her sisters. Angel Holly. Said Angel Mina, the next step might just be the right one. Sometimes Angel Mina said things that Lily didn't really understand. In other words, the old fairy cried out, if you don't take that step, you'll never know where it could lead. Today is a new day, and knows might that happening who knows might that happen. You might find the perfect good deed to perform. Lily nodded. Did Angel Mina know something? Uh, did Angel Mina know something? And Lily, well, it looked like a winky. It was a bit hard to tell amongst the all the wrinkles. It seems her nicest have come for the day. They have her favorite. They have her favorites. Lily didn't know why they are her favorites. Oh, my dear one, you only have to see them, the Lily said. No sooner had the words of the angel Mina's mouth. The Lily doesn't understand the words about the angel Mina's mouth and a lot of things like that. And oh, whispered Lily. She had never seen the identical twins before. They look her breathe away. They looked so alike. So this was the chapter one of that story, and we are gonna discuss about the story in our next chapter. So this was today's video. If you like today's video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.